When it's time to replace the windows in your Glendale home, choosing the right style is just as important as selecting the right materials or energy efficiency features. Glendale's warm desert climate, abundant sunshine, and mix of modern and traditional architecture make certain window styles especially well suited for local homes. Whether you're looking to improve ventilation, increase natural light, or boost curb appeal, the right replacement windows can transform the look, comfort, and efficiency of your home. Here are some of the best window styles for Glendale homeowners to consider when planning a replacement project. Energy-efficient picture windows for maximum sunlight. Glendale offers plenty of sunshine all year, which makes picture windows a popular choice for homeowners who want to brighten up their living spaces. These large, fixed-pane windows offer wide, unobstructed views, excellent natural lighting, improved energy efficiency when paired with low-E coatings, a clean, modern design that suits contemporary Glendale homes. Because picture windows don't open, they naturally create a tight seal, helping keep cool air inside during hot summer months. Sliding windows for easy operation and desert ventilation. Sliding windows are ideal for Glendale's warm climate because they allow generous ventilation and are extremely easy to open. Homeowners especially appreciate them for rooms facing patios or outdoor entertainment areas. Benefits include smooth, horizontal operation, large glass areas for natural light, low maintenance and long-term durability, great airflow during evenings and cool desert nights. Sliding windows also complement Arizona's modern, ranch-style, and southwestern home designs. Casement windows for superior airflow and tight seals. Casement windows open outward, allowing them to catch breezes and direct airflow inside. This makes them one of the best window styles for improving natural ventilation, something Glendale homeowners appreciate on cooler days when they want to give their AC a break. Casement windows offer exceptional ventilation, easy crank-style operation, excellent energy efficiency when closed, a sleek, updated appearance. They work well in kitchens, bedrooms, and living areas where homeowners want fresh air circulation. Awning windows for hot weather and added rain protection. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, forming a protective, awning shape. They're ideal for Glendale homes because they allow you to enjoy ventilation even during light rainfall. Top advantages include protection from dust and debris, secure ventilation, even when partially open, good insulation and energy efficiency, perfect placement above sinks, showers, or tight spaces. These windows are especially useful in bathrooms, kitchens, and high areas where airflow is essential. Double-hung windows for versatility and classic aesthetics. Double-hung windows are a timeless design choice, offering flexibility and ease of cleaning. While common in traditional homes, modern versions also suit Glendale's transitional and contemporary architecture. Why Glendale homeowners love them. Top and bottom sashes open for balanced airflow, easy tilt in cleaning, safe ventilation by lowering the top sash to classic style that boosts curb appeal. Double-hung windows are great for bedrooms, living rooms, and hallways. Bay and bow windows for added space and luxury. Bay and bow windows offer stunning visual appeal and make any room feel more open and spacious. They're ideal for Glendale living rooms, dining rooms, and areas where homeowners want panoramic views. These windows provide additional seating or storage space, expanded views of outdoor landscapes, more natural light, a high-end architectural feature that increases home value. They're perfect for homeowners looking to make a dramatic upgrade. Upgrade your Glendale home with the right window style. Choosing the right window style doesn't just improve curb appeal, it enhances comfort, airflow, lighting, and energy efficiency. From sun-loving picture windows to practical sliding and casement designs, Glendale homeowners have plenty of options that fit the area's climate and architectural character. If you're ready to refresh your home with stylish, energy-efficient replacement windows, selecting the right window style is the first step toward a more beautiful and comfortable Glendale home.